Hello and welcome to this short introductory video which is going to show you what a Renopen can do for your skin. For this therapy you will need the skin to be prepared, so we start with a numbing or anesthetic cream on the skin, as without it you could experience some discomfort. Once it has taken effect, the Renopen can work its magic. So how does the magic work? Well, it works on the fact that once the skin has been injured, so to speak, it will start to repair itself immediately. In essence, the Renopen uses micro needles to literally injure the skin. What this does is set in motion a healing process that results in the formation of new collagen and elastin, and we all know that these two proteins are what keep the skin looking young. So it's easy to understand why this is an excellent treatment for aging skin and even blemished or acne-scarred skin and even enlarged pores, even those sunspots get a working over. So what this Renopen is doing is operating at really high speed so that these tiny needles pierce the skin in a controlled manner. Depending on your skin, the therapist will apply the appropriate skin products after the procedure, as the nutrients in these products will be able to penetrate that much deeper into the skin because of the deep piercing. The treatment takes about 40 minutes, and while you will be able to go back to work the next day, your skin could be slightly red, and you will have to apply a good sunscreen to protect that new skin. It will take about a month for you to see the full effects of the treatment, but it will be worth it. Of that we can be sure. It is best to have this treatment once every 2 to 3 months to maintain the firmness and elasticity of your skin. The great thing about this treatment is that it is not only an anti-aging treatment, it also addresses blemishes, scars, enlarged pores, and yes ladies, even stretch marks. We can promise you that these are the kind of results that you will never get from a cream or a surgical facelift. There is no pulling or over-tightening of the skin, just the stimulation of the natural skin rejuvenating process of collagen production. To book your Renopen treatment, simply click on the link below or visit our website for details.